Good morning, dear students of class 5th. Today we are going to continue a chapter 11, Transport in Modern Times. In previous video we had discussed about pipelines, water transport. Now today we are going to continue a chapter with the topic of air transport. Air transport. Since earlier times, man has had the desire to fly like a bird in open skies. He was able to fulfill his desire by flying in the hot air balloon. It was only in 1908 that the Wright brothers made the first successful flight in an aeroplane. Dear student, this is also your internal question that who invented aeroplane? And the answer is Wright brothers. In 1908, Wright brothers made the first successful flight in an aeroplane. And airways have shrunk the distances in an amazing manner. Shrunk means become smaller in size or reduce. The meaning of shrunk is become smaller in size or reduce. And it takes 17 hours to reach Delhi from Mumbai by Rajdhani Express train, but only 2 hours by an aeroplane. So, dear students, airways have shrunk the distances in an amazing manner. And Mumbai Delhi air route is the busiest air route in the country. This is also your question that which is the busiest air route in India. So, the Mumbai and Delhi air route is the busiest air route in the country. Air travel is the fastest and most comfortable means of transport. We all know that air travel is the fastest and most comfortable means of transport. But it is very expensive. It is very costly mode of transport. The chief advantage of air travel is that it can cover difficult landforms like mountains, deserts, forests, and water bodies without any problem. In the beginning, the aircrafts were small and could fly over short distances. But now, an aeroplane can carry hundreds of passengers and tons of cargo over great distances. And now, the airports provide many facilities, many services like duty free shops, restaurants, telephone, and even free internet service. Free internet services. So, we can say that air travel is the fastest and most comfortable but costly mode of transport. Helicopters. Helicopters are used for surveys, media reporting, and emergency services. They are useful for transporting the injured to hospital and provide relief to the victims of earthquakes, landslides, floods, etc. All the time we are worried about increase in the price of petrol and diesel because we all know that most vehicles run on petrol or diesel. But we have to need to control the use of petrol and diesel. India has to spend precious foreign exchange on importing fuel. We must use CNG, compressed natural gas, as fuel because it is environment friendly. And we must take some other safeguards also. The vehicle should be serviced and pollution checked at regular intervals. We can also use public transport system to reduce traffic on roads. So there are different methods that we can adopt to reduce traffic on roads. We must use public transport system to reduce traffic on roads. If we control the vehicular pollution, we would lead a healthier life. So there is a need to save the petrol and diesel. Dear students, All means of transport, like your roadways, waterways, airways, have some advantages and some disadvantages. But the best means of transport are walking and cycling. Why? Why best means of transport are walking and cycling? Because they do not depend upon fuel and keep us fit. So, the best means of transport is walking and cycling because they do not depend upon fuel and keep us fit. So, dear students, today we read the concept of air transport, page number 102, 103, and 104 of chapter 11, Transport in Modern Times. So, dear students, read these pages very carefully and understand the concept of air transport. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.